Let us start the session. Today, I'm going to start revision number 3 of chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. So this is the last revision of coordinate geometry. Yes, previous session I told that last revision I will take up some board questions. Okay, so this is a 2017 question, and this is very different type of question. Show that triangle ABC where the coordinates of ABC is given, and triangle PQR where the coordinate of PQR is given are similar triangle. So question is related to coordinate geometry, but you have to use the concept of similar triangle. ठीक है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का है, बट हम लोग को सिमिलर ट्राइंगल का थोड़ा से हम लोग यहाँ पे कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे. So what we will find, first we will find AB, BC, then AC distance. ठीक है, तीनों साइड्स निकालेंगे दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का. So let us start with the first triangle. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of the vertices are A -2 0, B 2 0, and C 0 2. Okay, so we'll find first AB. So how will you find AB? How will you find
distance
AB?
formula.
Distance formula. Okay. So what you are going to get? 2 minus of -2, that is +2 whole square, plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Okay. So we are getting 4 4 square plus 0. 4 square plus 0. That means only 4 square. So square root of 4 square is 4. So we got AB is equals to 4. Now we'll find BC. BC देखेंगे 0 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square का whole root. So this will become 4 and this will become 4. 4 plus 4, that is root 8. Root 8, how will you write? How will you write to root 8?
2 root 2.
Right, very good. 2 root 2. Now the third side is AC. 0 minus of -2, that will become +2 whole square, and 2 minus 0 whole square ka whole root. So this will also will become 4 and this will also will become 4. So यहाँ पर भी root over 4 plus 4 आ रहा है. So यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? 2 root 2. So we got all the three sides. Now similarly we have to find the three sides of triangle PQR. चलो start करते हैं. सबसे पहले PQ. 4 minus of -4, that will become +4 whole square, plus 0 minus 0 whole square का whole root. So this will become 8 square plus 0. So 8 square only, and square root of 8 square is 8 units. Now next we have to find QR. See QR, 0 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square ka whole root. So we'll get 16 plus 16, that is root 32. How will you write root 32? How will you write root 32? 4 root 2. Okay? 4 root 2. Now we'll find PR. PR, 0 minus of -4 plus 4 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square ka whole root. So here also we are getting 16 plus 16, that is root 32, and same 4 root 2. Okay. Now in order to prove the similar triangle with the three sides, what we have to show that their ratios are equal. Okay, corresponding sides should be proportional. So what we are going to check? We are going to check whether all the corresponding sides are, the ratio of corresponding sides are same or not. So let us start with the first one. 4 by 8, this is 1 by 2. Now if you simplify this 2 also, you are getting the same ratio, 1:2. सब में same मिल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means these two triangles are similar. Any doubt?
Sir.
Okay. So see, this is a very different question, but board exam में ये आया हुआ question है. Okay. One more different type of question is now this is a totally different type of question, but very good question. In the given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 3 units. So this is 3 unit. Okay. Each side is equals to 3 units. Find the coordinates of other two vertices C and B. Now let the coordinate of C is AB, small AB. Okay, and in equilateral triangle we know that all the three sides are equal. So AB is equals to B, AC is equals to BC is equals to 3 units it is given. Okay, now what is AC? How will you write AC? This is AB.
A minus 2 and B minus 0.
कुछ भी नहीं है कह रहे, a minus 2 होल स्क्वायर है प्लस b minus 0 होल स्क्वायर का होल रूट. Okay, clear? Anas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will take square. So AC square is equals to a minus 2 whole square plus b square. Okay, so ये b square हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा a square plus 4 minus 4a. So let it be equation number 1. This is AC square. Any doubt here? Okay,
sir.
now you can find the coordinate of b. क्योंकि ये 3 unit दिया हुआ, what will be the coordinate of b? Anyone? It is on x-axis.
Sir, 0, 3.
x axis में y coordinate 0 होता है ना, तो 0 3 किस लिए होगा? 50 वेरी गुड, क्योंकि यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस 2 है and this distance is 3, so the distance of this point from the y axis is 5. Okay, so the coordinate of b is 50. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since AB is equals to 3 units, so the coordinates of B will be 50 as the point B is 3 units away from A20 on the x-axis. Okay, so now what is BC? Let me write the coordinate of B50. Okay, 50. So now you tell me BC square. क्योंकि BC लिखेंगे तो फिर we have to write the square root. What is BC square? A
5 minus A square
a minus
plus
5 whole square plus
B minus 0 whole square.
plus b minus 0 whole square. Okay, right? एक मिनट, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट लगा है. तो अगर हम लोग डायरेक्ट बी सी स्क्वायर लिखेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है क्योंकि स्क्वायर नहीं करना पड़ेगा. राइट, सो a minus 5 whole square plus b minus 0 whole square. Now expand, this will become b square and this will become a square plus 25 minus 10a. Okay, a square plus 25 minus 10a plus b square. Let it be equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, AC square और BC square दोनों equal होगा क्योंकि all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So we will equate both. अब इसमें देखो हम लोग क्या क्या eliminate कर सकते हैं. We can eliminate a square. We can eliminate b square. Sure? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now shift minus 10a to this side. It will become plus 10a. And 4 to this side, it will become minus 4. So we'll get this one. So what we are getting, 6a is equals to 21. Final answer, a is equals to
21 by 6.
21 by 6. 3 से divide
7
करो.
by 3.
Yes, 7 by 2.
7 by
2.
Right. Now by substituting the value of a in first equation. First equation क्या था? ये था AC square is equals to a square plus 4 minus 4a plus b square. इसमें substitute करें यार. This is equals to a square. A square नहीं, sorry, side square. So 3 square is equals to 7 minus 2 whole square. Okay, 7 minus 2 whole square plus b square. What is 7 minus 2? 7 by 2 minus 2.
7 minus 4 by 2. 3
Yes,
by
7
2.
minus 4 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So 3 square will be equals to 3 by 2 whole square plus b square. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 9, है ना? This is 9. Okay. 9 is equals to 3 by 2 whole square plus 4, and this will become 9 by 4. So क्या करेंगे, इसको यहाँ shift करो. If you shift to this side, it will become minus 9 by 4. Now take LCM.
36 minus 9 by
36 minus 9 by 4.
Yes, 36 minus 9 by 4, that is 27 by 4. So 27 का square root हो जाएगा 3 root 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we are getting b is equals to plus minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Here we have to neglect minus. Why? Why we have to neglect minus?
So length cannot be negative.
No, b is not a length. This is a coordinate. क्योंकि
First quadrant.
हाँ, anyone, कोई अच्छा रीजन बताओ जो एकदम सही रीजन चाहिए. अच्छा ठीक है, नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया, अभी सोचते रहना. विल कंक्लूड. सो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ C आर 7 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, thus the coordinates of the other two vertices are, first one we got 5 0 and second one 7 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2. हाँ, किसी को कोई सोचा माइनस क्यों नेग्लेक्ट करना है?
Distance can't be negative.
वेट वन मनोगना.
Sir, because
हाँ प्रियांशी बोलो.
it is in the first quadrant.
Very good. That is the correct reason. Because C lies on the first quadrant, that is why we have to take plus, right? Otherwise, अगर मान लो फिगर नहीं दिया होता है तो C कहीं पर भी हो सकता था, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में भी हो सकता था और फोर्थ में भी, बट यहाँ पे फिगर ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. सो C फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में, इसलिए माइनस यहाँ पे नेग्लेक्ट करना है. Any doubt is in this question? Okay, now we are moving towards another good question. This type of question already we did. This is 2015 board question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A, B is divided by x-axis, and we know that in x-axis y coordinate is 0. So we are going to take point P divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Okay, that is the first step. Let the ratio is k is to 1. This is ratio. Okay, so now what is x1 here? 3. And x2?
5.
5, ठीक है. और y1 is minus 6 and y2 is 3 and the ratio is k upon 1, m1 m2. ठीक है. अभी हम लोग p का कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिख रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट लिख रहे हैं. देखो, if we write the formula every time, the length of the answer will become more. Now we'll write the coordinate directly. देखो डायरेक्ट कैसे लिखेंगे, ध्यान से देखो. 5k plus 3 upon k plus 1, ये x कोऑर्डिनेट है, कॉमा 3k minus 6 upon k plus 1. ये समझ में आ गया? Okay, so let it be equation number 1. Now since point P lies on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0, so we will equate y coordinate with 0. So k plus 1 into 0 is 0, so we are getting 3k minus 6 is equals to 0, that is 3k is equals to 6. So what is the value of k here? 2. So the ratio is 2 is to 1. Any doubt here? Okay, now we have to substitute the value of k because we have to find the coordinates of the point of division. Ratio to nikal gaya. Now we have to find the point P. So we have to substitute the value of k here. Okay, so substituting the value of k is equals to 2 in equation 1. तो ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. You can no need to substitute, or you can substitute also. उसके बाद भी 0 हो जाएगा. 6 minus 6. and this will become 10 plus 3 upon 3.
13.
Yes, 13 upon 3 we are getting.
3.
So this is the required ratio, coordinates of P. Any doubt? Any doubt in this question?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now this is also a very good question and the different type question. Points A and B lie on a circle with center. Find the values of y. Hence find the radius of the circle. So एकदम अलग type का question है. This is 2014 board question. So that is why you have to drill more and more so that you will be able to attempt such type of question also. So पहले diagram बना लेते हैं. So center is given and 2 points are given lying on the circle. So we'll start with OA is equals to OB. Why?
Radii of circle.
Right. So
Radius.
instead of finding using the distance formula directly for OA is equals to OB, we'll take square. So OA square is equals to OB square. So क्या मिलेगा देखो, OA square 2 minus of minus 1 will become plus 1 whole square, and minus 3 minus y minus 3y minus y whole square. OB 2 minus 5 whole square plus minus 3y minus 7 whole square. Right. Okay. So this will become 3 square and this will become minus 4y whole square. This will become minus 3 square and this will become, if you take minus common, that will become 3y plus 7 whole square. Okay. So now expand. 9 plus 16y square is equals to 9 plus 9y square plus 49 plus 42y. So we can eliminate this to 9. Okay, now shift all towards one side. ध्यान से देखो, if you shift minus 9y square here, it will be 9y square here, it will become minus 9y square. This will become minus 42y and 49 will become minus 49. 9 को eliminate कर दिए. So we are getting this one. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. कुछ common cancel हो रहा है?
7.
Right.
7.
So if you divide all numbers by 7, you will get y square minus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now what is the product here? P
Minus 7.
minus 7. And what is the sum?
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
So
Minus
product
6.
is negative, so we have to find the two factors such that their difference should be 6. 7 and 1.
1.
ठीक है, सम का साइन बड़े नंबर पे लगा दो और दूसरा ऑपोजिट साइन. सो माइनस 7 प्लस 1 स्प्लिट कर दिया. द स्प्लिटिंग इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
सो
sir.
व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू?
Y.
Y.
इसमें
Y.
Y.
1
1.
will write simply in bracket. Now y minus 7 is common in from these two, so we are getting two factors. Okay, so एक बार y minus 7 is equals to 0 equate करेंगे और एक बार y plus 1 is equals to 0. So what are the values of y?
7
is
and minus 1.
minus
Right,
1.
7 and minus 1. That means center क्या क्या हो सकता है? 2 3 minus 1 if you substitute it will become 3. If you substitute 7 it will become minus 21. So center is either 2 3 or 2 minus 21. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
first bit में हम लोग को y निकालना था, निकाल लिए. And in the second we have to find the radius. But we got two centers, two possible centers. So we have to find the radius for both the centers. So let us start with case number 1. When center is 2 3. When center is 2 3, what will be the radius? ध्यान से देखो, 2 3 है तो रेडियस कैसे निकालोगे? यहां से निकालो, y minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square का whole root. ये 9 हो जाएगा and this will become 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is
5.
5 units, right? So we got the radius with respect to center 2, 3. Now second, 2 minus 21. अब इसको मैं minus 21 लिख रहा हूँ. See carefully. 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus of minus 21, that is plus 21 whole square का whole root. Okay, so this will become 3 square and this will become 28 square. So 9 28 square 784 होता है. So 784 plus 9 793. Okay, सेवन 93 का स्क्वायर रूट देख लेते हैं. 793 28.1 अप्रॉक्स ले लेते हैं. 28.16 आ रहा है एक्चुअल में. सो 16 ले लेते हैं 2 प्लेस तक. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards the next question. CBSE 2013. Now this is not much difficult question, direct question only. If A, B, C and D be 4 points in a plane, show that ABCD is a rhombus but not square. So what do you have to show? Rhombus but not square.
सर डायगोनल सोच करना.
सिर्फ एक ही diagonal के पीछे पड़ा है.
सर ऑल
Four
साइड्स
sides are equal and diagonals are not equal.
Yes, very good. All 4 sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Okay, so that we have to show. Right. So let us start with the first AB. We will find AB. पहले एक diagram, rough diagram बना लेते हैं. Okay. Now AB find कर रहे हैं. ध्यान से देखो. 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 1, that is 4 plus 1 whole square का whole root. So this will become 1 square और 5 square. 1 plus 25 कितना मिल रहा है?
26.
Root 26 units. Okay. Next one BC. ध्यान से देखो. -2 -3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square का whole root. ये भी 25 हो गया और ये 1 हो रहा है. So यहाँ पर भी हम लोग को क्या मिल रहा है? Root 26. Okay. Now we'll find CD. CD. ध्यान से देखो. -3 minus of -2 plus 2 whole square -2 -3 whole square का whole root. So ये 1 हो गया और ये 25 हो गया. So यहाँ पर भी root 26 units. Now only the fourth side is left, that is AD और DA. DA का देख लो. -3 -2 whole square plus -2 minus of -1 means it will become +1 whole square का whole root. So this is 25 and this is 1. So we got root 26 units. That means all 4 sides are equal and they are equals to root 26 units. So first step is over. Now second, we have to show that it is not a square. So diagonals are not equal. So diagonals के लिए AC हम लोग पहले निकालेंगे. We'll find AC. AC -2 whole square plus 3 minus of -1, that will become +1 whole square का whole root. So we got this one. Okay, 16 plus 16. ठीक है, -4 whole square plus 4 square. So 16 plus 16 is root 32. So what is root 32?
Four root 2.
Right, 4 root 2 units. Now BD. BD is BD यहाँ पे आ जाओ. B और D यहाँ पे. Yes. -3 -3 whole square plus -2 -4 whole square का whole root. So minus 6 whole square minus 6 whole square. So 36 plus 36, 72. Root 72. 6 root 2. So that means diagonals are not equal. So therefore it is a rhombus. Rhombus but not square. Okay. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Now the second part we have to find the area of rhombus. What is the formula of area of rhombus? Half into,
D1 to D2.
right, half into product of its diagonals. So that is AC into BD. We got AC 4 root 2 and BD 6 root 2. See, this root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So we can cancel with this 2. ये दोनों को इससे cancel कर दिए and we are getting 24 square units. So hence the area of the rhombus ABCD is 24 square units. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now this is also a different type of question. Find the lengths of the median AD and BE of triangle ABC whose vertices are A 7 minus 3, B 5 3 and C 3 minus 1. Okay. So एक rough diagram देख लो अभी. Now we have to find the coordinate of D or E. So D का coordinate देखो कैसे निकालेंगे. 5 plus 3 by 2 that is 4. 3 plus minus 1 by 2 that is 2. And the coordinate of E is 7 plus 3 by 2, 10 by 2 that is 5. And minus 3 minus 1 by 2 that is minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So we'll start with that step only. Coordinate of D is 4 1 and coordinate of E is 5 minus 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find AD and BE that we can find by using distance formula. So AD first निकाल लेते हैं. 7 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square का whole root. This. So ये कितना होगा?
3 square.
Right,
Square.
9 होगा finally. This will be minus 4 whole square. 16. So 9 plus 16
25.
20.
root 25.
5.
5.
Right. So AD is 5 units. Now we have to find BE. So BE के लिए देखो. Let us start with the here 5 minus 5 whole square. 5 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square का whole root. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. And this will become minus 5 whole square that is 25. So root 25 here also we are getting 5 units. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question. Now this is also a very good question. Point P divides the line segment joining the points A 2 1 and B 5 minus 8 such that AP upon AB is equals to 1 by 3 and P lies on the line 2x minus y plus k is equals to 0. Find the value of k and this is CBSE 2010 board question. So पहले तो एक rough diagram बना लिए and let point P divides नहीं यहाँ पे रेशियो अभी नहीं रहेंगे, right? What is given that AP upon AB is 1 by 3. How will you write AB from the diagram?
5 minus 2 whole square.
No. AB is equals to AP plus BP, okay? Yeah, PB. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 3AB is equals to 3AP is equals to AP plus PB.
EAB.
Shift this to this side. Minus तो 2 हो जाएगा. So AP upon PB का रेशियो क्या आएगा इससे? AP upon PB 1 by 2. Okay, so P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have to use section formula to find the coordinates of P. सेक्शन फार्मूला के लिए मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, देखो यहाँ पे 2 1 x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 और m1 m2। अभी कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ p हम लोग को लिखना है, ध्यान से देखो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ 1 into 5 प्लस 2 into 2 अपॉन 1 plus 2, ये हो गया x कोऑर्डिनेट। 1 into -8 प्लस 2 into 1 अपॉन 1 plus 2, ठीक है। सो 5 plus 4 by 3 that is 9 by 3,
9/3.
right, and this will be -8 plus 2 by 3 -6 by 3. So what is the coordinate final?
3 and minus
3
2.
minus
Right,
3
and
3
minus
and
two.
minus 2. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? P lies on this line. That means we can substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to -2. ठीक है, सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं 2 into 3 माइनस ऑफ -2 प्लस k, तो हो जाएगा 6 plus 2 plus k is equals to 0. So what is the value of k?
8.
8
-8.
9
ये यहाँ शिफ्ट करोगे ना 8 को,
-8.
ठीक है। Hence the required value of k is -8. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now one more very good question. This is 2015 question. Show that the points, 3 points are given. We have to show that these are the vertices of an equilateral triangle and find its area. So equilateral triangle के लिए क्या show करना पड़ेगा?
All sides equal.
Very good.
All sides.
All sides are equal. तो एक को A ले लेते हैं, B ले लेते हैं और C ले लेते हैं. Right? Now we have to find AB square first. We will find square direct. Root नहीं लगाएंगे. So ध्यान से देखो, -a whole square plus -a whole square, right? AB square. I'm talking about AB square. So ये हो गया -2a whole square -2a whole square. 4a square 4a square. Total 8a square. This is clear?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
BC स्क्वायर थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो, BC स्क्वायर यहाँ पे दिक्कत होगा। -√3 माइनस ऑफ -1 दैट इज प्लस, माइनस ऑफ -a दैट इज प्लस a होल स्क्वायर, √3 माइनस ऑफ -a प्लस a होल स्क्वायर, राइट। अब यहाँ पे स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला यूज करो, अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज वन फॉर्मूला, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर। एक मिनट, इसको थोड़ा सा रिवर्स करके लिखते हैं, इसको पहले लिख लेते हैं ऐसे, एडजस्ट कर, थोड़ा माइनस साइन को अंदर तरफ लिख लिए, प्लस को पहले लिख लिए। दिस अरेंजमेंट इज क्लियर? थोड़ा सा अरेंज कर लिया इसको।
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Sir.
अब एक फॉर्मूला है अपने पास, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। इफ यू रिमेंबर, क्लास 9th में भी बताया था और हम लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में भी मैं बताया था ये फॉर्मूला, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर is equals to 2 times a square plus b square. Now if you don't remember this formula, you expand it directly. अगर ये फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो यहाँ पे एक्सपैंड कर लो, ठीक है। अगर फॉर्मूला याद है तो यू कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला, 2 टाइम्स ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 2
Yes,
into
sir.
4a square 8a square. So bc square भी निकल गया। Now ac square just similar to bc, what we did, -3a minus √3a minus a whole square, √3a minus a whole square, right? अब ये माइनस यहाँ पे कॉमन निकाल लोगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। 2 टाइम्स फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड टर्म स्क्वायर, सो ये हो जाएगा 4a स्क्वायर इंटू 2 8a स्क्वायर। सो व्हाट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग, AB square is equals to BC square is equals to AC square, and all three are equal to 8A square. What is the square root of 8A square? 8 का
2
स्क्वायर
root
रूट
2.
2 root
64.
2.
8 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है?
64.
है स्क्वायर
64.
रूट पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, स्क्वायर नहीं।
Square.
Root 2.
2 रूट 2। 8 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 2 रूट 2 और a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट
A.
a. So all the three sides are equals to 2 root 2 a. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So हम लोग ये तो प्रूव कर दिए कि ABC is an equilateral triangle and each of its side is 2 root 2 a. Now we have to find area. What is the formula of area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 A square.
Okay, fine. Because here already small a is there, na? So we'll write side square. Okay, root 3 by 4 into side square, and side is 2 root a. Okay, and 2 root 2 a, 2 root 2 a side. So इसका square already हम लोग के पास है 8a square. So 4 8 cancel हो जाएगा, and what we are getting 2 root 3 a square units. This is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards one more very good question. The points A, B, and C are the vertices of a right triangle, right angled at B. Find the value of P. This is CBSE 2015 question. If you remember, this question I have given in Google form also. Last question. ठीक है? Right? So let us draw a rough diagram. So what we will do, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we'll substitute the value AB square first. AB square देखो, P minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. Next BC square. P minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. ठीक है? या रिवर्स में भी लिख सकते हो, 7 minus P whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. Now AC square. 7 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. So मैं substitute कर दिया हूँ पूरा. First step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
हम लोग एक एक करके expand करेंगे. उससे पहले जहाँ पे underline कर रहा हूँ मैं वो पहले expand करेंगे. Right. This will become minus 4 whole square. This will become 0. This will become 3 square and this will become minus 4 whole square. ठीक है? Now we will expand. ये कितना होगा? P square plus 4. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये दोनों एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो जहाँ पे मैं सर्कल कर रहा हूँ. These two you can eliminate. Okay, from both sides. So ध्यान से देखो क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पर. P square plus 16 plus 16 only. Okay, minus 8P. This is the first term. Second term बताओ, ये वाला 49 plus P square.
minus 14 P's.
Right, minus 14P is equals to 9. This step is clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So finally what we are going to get, 2P square minus 22P plus 55 65 minus 9. 2P square, मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे फिर से, 2P square minus 22P plus 65, and we will shift this 9 to this side. Okay, so what we are getting finally, quadratic equation क्या मिल रहा है? 2P square minus 22P plus 56 is equals to 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. राइट. सो अब यहाँ पर हम लोग सबको 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट हियर?
28.
28.
प्लस 28 है ना. एंड सम
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
राइट माइनस 11. सो 28 का दो फैक्टर जिसका टोटल 11 होना चाहिए. 7 और 4. और 28 पॉजिटिव है तो दोनों प्लस होगा तो माइनस होगा. सम क्योंकि नेगेटिव है इसलिए दोनों माइनस होगा. तो स्प्लिट कर रहे हैं -7 -4. स्प्लिटिंग इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू?
P.
P.
इन दोनों में
4.
-4. ओके. Right. So p minus 7, p minus 4 is equals to 0. So we got the value of p, two values of p. One is 7 or another is 4. Okay. So अब यहाँ पर अगर मान लो ये वाला 7 हो गया b. So what is the distance between b and c? What is the distance between b and c? If b
0.
0, that means you will not get a triangle. You will get one line only. B और C एक ही पॉइंट हो जाएगा ना. So that is why here P is equals to 7 is not possible. So when P is equals to 7, point B and C coincide with each other and no triangle is formed in this case. So P is not equals to 7, hence P is equals to 4. This answer is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next topic is centroid. Centroid में अगर तीनों coordinates दिया हुआ है A, B, C, that x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So this coordinate G is given by formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay. So एक क्वेश्चन देख लो. Find the centroid of triangle whose vertices are -3, 0, 5, -2, -8, 5. So यहाँ पे x1 और y1 ये है और x2, y2 और x3, y3. Right? And the formula for centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So first we'll calculate for x. ये तीनों को ऐड कर लो, फिर 3 से डिवाइड करो. What you are getting if you adding all this? -6.
Minus 6.
So -6 by 3 is -2. Next y. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So y को सबको ऐड करेंगे. So we are getting 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. Hence the centroid of triangle ABC is -2, 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now one question is there. This is 2005. C means compartment exam. Okay. Two vertices of triangle. This is triangle ABC are given by A 6, 4, B -2, 2, and its centroid is given 3, 4. We have to find the coordinates of the third vertex C of triangle ABC. So third vertex को हम लोग XY ले लेते हैं. Right? So now we'll use the formula of centroid. Centroid का formula क्या है? देखो ध्यान से. 6 plus -2 plus x by 3, 4 plus 2 plus y by 3, and that is equals to 3, 4. So पहले तो ये वाला सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 4 plus x by 3, 6 plus y by 3, and this is equals to 3, 4. So we'll equate this two and this two. तो पहले इसको इक्वेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. देखो यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये 9 हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 12. फिर 4 को इधर शिफ्ट करो -4, इसमें 6 को शिफ्ट करो -6. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y?
6 and 6.
6 and
9 minus 4 कितना है?
5.
5 and 6. Okay, so hence the coordinates of the third vertex is 5 and 6. Okay, so now we are moving towards the last question of this revision number 3. So this is also very important question. Let D, E, F be the midpoints of the side BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Find the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Okay, so triangles के sides का midpoint दिया हुआ है and we have to find the coordinates of the vertices. See this figure. Let A be x1 y1 or B is x2 y2 and C is x3 y3 and D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है बट लेंदी क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. ये तो इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट हो गया. अगर D मिड पॉइंट है BC का तो हाउ विल यू राइट दिस कोऑर्डिनेट? C x2 plus x3 by 2 is equals to 3, y2 plus y3 by 2 is equals to minus 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So x2 plus x3 will be 6 and y2 plus y3 will be minus 4. Let it be equation number 1 and 2. Similarly, ऐसा ही हम लोग E के साथ करेंगे और F के साथ में करेंगे. So पहले हम लोग यहाँ से F E पकड़ लेते हैं. E is the midpoint of CA या AC. So x1 plus x3 by 2 is equals to minus 3 और y1 plus y3 by 2 is equals to 1. So x1 plus x3 हो जाएगा minus 6 और y1 plus y3 हो जाएगा 2. Let it be equation number 3 and 4. ठीक है, अभी f बच गया. So f क्या होगा? x1 plus x2 by 2 is equals to 4 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equals to minus 3. So x1 plus x2 is equals to 8 and y1 plus y2 is equals to minus 6. That will be the equation 5 and 6. ये 6 इक्वेशन को एक जगह पे लिख लेते हैं, राइट, यहाँ पर. अब ये तीनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करो. मुझे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या मिल रहा है बताओ. इफ यू ऐड ऑल these 3 equations underlined, what you are getting?
2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3.
Very good. Left hand side you will get 2 times of x1 plus x2 plus x3 and right hand side
Minus 8.
right, क्योंकि 6 और minus 6 cancel हो जाएगा and we'll get minus 8. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 1 minute, ये 8 था ना. नहीं 8 था, ये प्लस है, ये यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया. दिस इज प्लस 8. ओके, दिस इज प्लस 8, राइट. सो 2 times x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 8. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 will be equals to 4.
4.
ओके, अभी ध्यान से देखो, मैं जो जो बोल रहा हूँ उसका आंसर बताना, ठीक है. दिस इज प्लस है ना. हाँ, अगर ये दोनों को माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
x1
x1
is
is
equals to
2.
minus 2, राइट. अगर इसको और इसको माइनस करेंगे तो इसको पहले फर्स्ट टर्म सेकंड टर्म.
x2 is equal to
minus 10.
4 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 6, 10 मिलेगा, प्लस 10. ओके फाइन. अब इसको और इसको माइनस करेंगे तो
x3 is equal to 4.
minus 4
Min-
मिलेगा, minus 4, right. So this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now similarly we will add this 3 equation first. So what we are getting? Left hand
2
side.
into y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to minus
Is equals to minus
8.
minus 8, right, good. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to minus 4. Let it be equation number 8. Okay, अब जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ उसका आंसर देना. This minus this, what you will get? y1
y1 is equal to 0.
0. y1 is equals to 0. Very good. Now this minus this, what you will get?
y2 is
y2
equal to
equals to minus 6.
Minus 6. Very good. And next, this minus this,
y3 is equal to minus 2.
plus 2. Minus 4 ये हो जाएगा, minus of minus 6 plus 6 हो जाएगा. So y3 is equals to plus 2. Hence the vertices of triangle, अब इसको sum up करेंगे. minus 2 0 first vertex, 10 minus 6 second vertex, और minus 4 2 third vertex. Any doubt in this question?
no sir.
Okay, so you practice once again this question. Okay, now we are moving towards the last section, that is assignment question. All 6 questions are from board questions only. You try to complete this question. Okay, screenshot ले लो जल्दी से इसका. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अपने मैथ्स वाले ग्रुप में डाल देना. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.